Hi everybody. Well, we're here today at Study Sharpe to celebrate Remember the 5th of November. In other words, Bonfire Night. So today I'm going to set you a quiz, and I want you to get as many fingerspelt words linked to Bonfire Night as you can. So let's have a look. So there are 10 different words, and I will show you 3 different speeds. Okay. First one, slow. Second one, medium. Third one, fast. Okay. Here we go. Are you ready? Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. 2 words. Number 8. 2 words. Number 9. 2 words. Sorry, mistake. Again. Number 10. 10. 2 words. And there you go. Let me know in the comments below how you got on. Thank you. And happy Bonfire Night. Have a happy, enjoy yourselves and be safe. Thank you. Enjoy the fireworks.